Hello guys, welcome to Wolf Lead Coding Session. Today's question is insert delete get random at big O of 1. So before heading towards the question, I would like to make a small request. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It would really mean a lot to me. Okay, so the question states design a data structure that supports all the following operation in average big O of 1 time. So we have to perform all these operations like insert, remove and get random, and all this should happen in average of big O of 1 time. So the question is pretty simple. All we have to do is create the following functions in average big O of 1 time. Okay, now let's get to the solution. So I'm comfortable in working with the list, so I'm going to create a data structure that involves list. But before that we have to import the random, and to import that we have to write okay. Now I have to take a list, an empty list. So I have created an empty list with the name v. Now in the insert function, it's written that insert a value to the set returns true if the set did not already contain the specified element. Okay, so we have to write okay, as stated, we have written if value, that is this value, is not in the list, not in this list, then we are appending it in the list and then returning true, else we are simply returning false. Now the remove method states remove a value from the list returns true if the set contained the specified element. So as stated in the question, if the value is in the list, then we are removing it from the list and returning true, else we are returning false. Now getting to the get random function. Now here we will use the random. Okay, so here we are simply choosing a random value from the list and returning it. Let's say if it gets submitted. And the problem got accepted. Thank you. Please consider subscribing. See you in the next one. Peace.